How to fix link direct open in browser. For that, first of all, launch the settings application in your mobile device. Once you're under settings, tap on apps. Scroll down a bit, now head towards the default apps. Here there is an option at the very bottom that says opening links, tap on it. And here make sure you have enabled this toggle that says instant apps, open links in apps even if they are not installed. After that, scroll down a bit, now select your preferred application where you are having problem on. For example, I'm having problem on Instagram, tap on it. Here make sure you have turned on this toggle that says open supported links. Once you have done that, now if you go back and check, your problem will be solved. So in this way you can fix link direct open in browser. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.